बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही है मुझे कि मैं हूँ with India's one of the best top-notch Earthian schools who have done so much of good to be here. My name is Vasanti Hari Prakash. Vasanti बुला सकते हैं अगर वो नाम भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा है तो you can just call me V. Okay? Now, a special welcome to all the teachers, the educators, the people who have made this possible, the jury. उनके लिए भी एक राउंड तालियां. Since 2011, and when you hear of these numbers, then you realize कि किसी भी काम को लगातार साल भर साल जब करते जाएं तो कितना बढ़ जाता है, right? So Wipro Earthian has engaged with more than 20,000 institutions since 2011, 70,000 plus students, thousands of teachers. हाँ तालियां और भी जोर बढ़ सकती हैं because I'm anyway audible through the mic, through a network of partner organizations across India. So how does this happen? In the schools program, the team receives 1,500 submissions. This year it's been received. जिनमें से jury यानी कि judges ने select किया है 23 top winning entries. So congratulations, बधाई, you are among those 23. Okay, so this just shows the enthusiasm, the commitment, and the passion that hundreds of educators and students have displayed. Now, जाते जाते और भी बातें होंगी, but I would now, without further ado, call on stage people who are going to be giving that recognition. May I have Anurag Bihar, the CEO of Azim Premji Foundation, with us on the stage? P.S. Narayan, Global Head of Sustainability and ESG, Wipro Limited, and the Managing Trustee of Wipro Foundation. To present the awards, center stage, if you can please take your positions, because I'm going to be now inviting each of these schools. तो some house rules. तो जैसे जिनको अवार्ड मिलता है वो लोग आएंगे, naturally वो ताली वाली नहीं बजा पाएंगे ना, वो तो काम हमें करना पड़ेगा. Make sure that we cheer every team that comes here. The very first name that I have, Andhra Pradesh Nunchi Model School, Mahanandi, Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh. The theme, biodiversity. And may I invite Ankali Geeta Vani, Meenaga Sujata, Chintala Akhila, Gora Akanksha, Taluri Jayant Kumar, and Miss L. Shailaja, the teacher. You can see the names behind on the screen. आप लोग देख सकते हैं. तो जो भी students हैं, teachers हैं, सुप्रिया मैं देख रही हूं कौन कौन ताली नहीं बजा रहा है, उनकी मार्क्स कटेगी. The next school that I will invite, Bansda SE High School, which is in Gopi Ballabpur. We just had him speak. Jhargram, West Bengal. All the students can start walking. Sneha Mahata, Sudipta Mahata, Kunoni Maria Hansda, Sovik Jana, Suparna Mahata, and the teacher, Shri Prasenjit Pradhan. Just in the interest of time, Chandigarh Chitkara School can be ready to come. You can take your positions. Okay. The submission by the team from Jhargram, in-depth representation of the school's flora and fauna. They represented their understanding of the interconnectedness. जैसे अभी सर समझा रहे थे हमको कि biodiversity, food, climate and water के बीच में क्या-क्या संबंध है, वो इन बच्चों ने, इन स्टूडेंट्स ने प्रदर्शित किया है. Okay, now Chitkara International School, Chandigarh, next is your chance. They have worked on the theme of waste. Sargam Vora, Pahal Garg, Sukhmani, Mannat Preet Dhupar, Ayana Ahuja. And among the teachers, we have Rupinder Kaur and Ms. Priyanka Pathania. Okay, the next school I'm calling out, Agra, Akola. We heard Bhavna speak so articulately about what biodiversity means. That team is coming here. Taaliyan nahi baj rahi hain, I'm noting. Please welcome Composite School, Balhera, Akola, Agra, Uttar Pradesh से water यानी कि पानी के थीम पर खुशी कुमारी, सारिका कुमारी, वर्षा कुमारी, भावना, रंजना and Rani Chehar ma'am is the teacher. बहुत ही प्यारे उनके स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म और रिबन्स और चोटी and they have come here all the way from Akola. Acha, Arunachal Pradesh, from the far east, the land, the state of the rising sun, Global Valley School, rowing Lower Dibang Valley. We have working on the theme of waste, Tingjong Patin, Midoku Patin, Deyu Mibu, Dam Lego, Aponam Patin, Sewen Seng Chotang, and the teacher, Miss Lakhilu Mepong, is with us in her traditional dress. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब अपने अपने रीजन्स के वेशभूषा सब पहन के यहाँ पर बैंगलोर आए हैं. May I invite Jammu Kashmir Gandarbal से school next to be ready. Anurag, they're so generous. You're getting an award उनके कारण. Yes. So we have the school from Gandarbal. Now the students couldn't come because of the board exams that's going on. But I want you to cheer in such a way that yes, can the video point out to the sari jo taaliyan baj rahi hain, because they will carry back this one. Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Manigam, Gandarbal, Jammu Kashmir, on the theme of waste. Uzma Bashir, Sadia Wali, Sheikh Ubair, Shaukat, Ashik Hussain Khan, and Miss Yasmina Jan had received the award on everyone's behalf. Next up, we go to the state called Goa. Government High School, Navilim, Sankulim, North Goa. Anushka Kumari, Ramdhani Yadav, Samruddhi Sitaram Gons, Rishwa Manoj Navelkar, Saish Atmaram Gavas, Aditya Ankush Gavas, and teacher Ms. Sejal Hinde on the theme of water. Next up, Chhattisgarh, Durg se aaye hain, one of the absolutely resource-rich and people-rich states of India. Government Higher Secondary School, Urla, Patan, Durg, Chhattisgarh se aaye hain. We welcome them onto the stage. Biodiversity के थीम पर इन्होंने काम किया है. धनीला साहू, नीरज निर्मलकर, संश्या साहू, भूमिका सूर्यवंशी, दोमेंद्र साहू, and teachers ललित किशोरी साहू and शत्रुघ्न सिंह ठाकुर जी हमारे साथ हैं आज. I would like to invite the other school also to be ready. Government Higher Secondary School, Durg. Please welcome them. Their names are right behind of the students who have worked on this project. The team learnt how the tribal people's positive associations is intertwined with their belief and way of life. छत्तीसगढ़ जो है बहुत ही हमारे जो आदिवासी indigenous people की शक्ति वहाँ पर खूब है, and the students have worked on this project. I would like to now invite the other school from Chhattisgarh, Government Higher Secondary School, Kugda, Patan, Durg se. May I invite Khyati Sahu, Yogita Chelak, Yamini Kure, Sneha Mahilang, Kusum Sahu, who have worked on the theme of waste. Gajanan Sahu ji, teacher हैं, वो भी आए हैं. Namaskar sir, and खूब बधाइयाँ, congratulations to the team. Also from Durg, Chhattisgarh, the government Kanya Uch Madhyamik Vidyalay, you can be ready next. They meticulously calculated the quantities of the different types of solid waste produced in the school. They examined the local solid waste management process in detail. Durg, Chhattisgarh se. Give it up for the school. Wonderful project. कन्या उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय वैशाली नगर भिलाई दुर्ग छत्तीसगढ़ से हैं. The next school, Sangeeta Kumari, Sanya Paswan, Sabah Hashmi, Kalyani Sahu, Kavita Sahu and Roshni Verma. Miss Vidya Bachor, I see her name as the faculty. Biodiversity के theme पर. Let's see what they did. They conducted a thorough survey of plants and animals on the school campus. जो भी पेड़ पौधे और जो जानवर हैं, and they developed a clear understanding of life connectedness. Government Kanya Uch Madhyamik Vidyalaya. Next, may I invite Greenfield School, Safdarjung Enclave, New Delhi. An all-boys team, Shreyansh, Dhairya, Pratyush, Arham, Yashas, and teacher Miss Rajni Mishra. इन्होंने काम किया वेस्ट के थीम पर. They also are the team which is meticulously collected very detailed data on solid waste generation in and around their school. Please welcome these girls. Kot Khalsa, Amritsar, Punjab, GSSS. Palvinder Kaur ma'am हैं. इनके साथ आई हैं टीचर अनमोलदीप कौर, प्रभजोत कौर, चांदनी, दीपिका, सोनाक्षी और आस्था. इनको मिला है. The team found that a school from rural Punjab produces 22 kilos of solid waste per day. The classroom of the audit team produces 109 grams, and they found out how solid waste burning is so harmful. And that's the team that you just saw. Wipro Earthians, very, very proud. Goa, again, we move westwards. Panchakroshi Higher Secondary School, Harmal Panim, North Goa. Shripad Burke, Gangaram Pandurang Thakur, Trisha Tulsidas Thakur, Dhanashri Vivekanand Padnekar, Vedika Vivek Toraskar. They worked on biodiversity. Gaurav Nayak, jo hai, the teacher who is accompanied. Biodiversity, good understanding of factors. They explored micro, flora and fauna in detail. So from Goa, we are going to absolute up north to a place which is, which is really on the crown of India. उस जगह का नाम शुरू, इनकी स्कूल का नाम शुरू होता है LAD से. So कौन सा रीजन है? बहुत इजी दे दिया ना मैंने क्लू. अगली बार I'll make it tougher. जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय, Leh Ladakh, worked on water. Sonam Yangdol, Kunze Swangmo, Jigme Diachin Skitla, Jigmat Yangchan Zangmo, Stanzen Desal, and the teacher was Neil Kamal Singh. Wonderful. Look at the colorful scarf. But I think locally it may have a name, ma'am. Khatak. Okay. That's... You see, along with seeing the other winning schools, we also get to learn so much side by side about traditions. So this was wonderful. Next school is also from Ladakh. Okay, now I know why there was extra cheer when we heard Ladakh. Okay, now Lamdon Model Senior Secondary School, is that yours? Yes, please, welcome. Working on the theme of water, Roshni Subba, Punchok Angmo, Sevang Chosden, Tadin Galpo and Sanzin Wangdan, along with the teachers Sonam Chuzin and Rinchen Angmo. Many congratulations. Anurag ke paas do aise scarves ho gaye. I'm wondering who is going to give the extra one to. Okay, now the school team that you see before you, they brought in a different perspective on water management in the cold desert environment of Ladakh. Similar to hot deserts, water is in short supply. The requirement is less because of the low temperatures, and yet water management remains an issue. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Julie. I wasn't actually hinting at this, but I'm so happy. We have the next school from Andhra Pradesh, Annamaya Girls School. उस तरफ से तो बिल्कुल I am seeing no applause, because जब आपकी बारी आएगी देखेंगे हम, है ना? Okay, so now from the girls school we have Rupika, Bhavyashri, Khyati, Supriya and Chandana Agarwal, teachers joining us, Apsana, Shri C, Swarna Kumari and Shri Dilshad. Let's see what this school has done. Scavenger hunt exercise. They realize the importance of segregation at source and how the 5 R's are important. They explored the issues of improper disposal and recycling that plague the local waste management process. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand school children are here? Nanak Mata
Children
couldn't come, yes. They couldn't come. The teachers are here. Nanak Mata Public School, Udham Singh Nagar, Uttarakhand. Waste ke theme par. Namaskar and welcome. Neha Bhandari, Sheetal Joshi, Aditi Rana, Harshita Bhatt and Anjali Bhatt. Exams likh rahe honge abhi. Par unke liye we will cheer, and Shri Kamlesh Atwal will carry back our messages. Terai area, jo Uttarakhand, they focused on this subject, and the team found that only proper segregation can happen to ensure proper recycling. So that was the theme they worked on. From Uttarakhand, we go back to the east once again, another beautiful state with rich culture. Assam is next. North Guwahati Girls High School, North Guwahati Kamrup Metro, working on the theme of biodiversity. Okay, what is Assam famous for? Tea. Tea and biodiversity. No, but any animal that comes to mind, Assam say? The rhino. Okay. Dulumani Rabha ma'am is with us. Anindita Devi, Murchana Sama, Himashri Jyotishman Indrani. Climate and other conditions in the northeast are favorable for biodiversity. It's not what it used to be. Now, this is the story of many of our places. The team shared that the imbalance it will create is scary for the younger generation. So that alert that came in from the team. North Guwahati Girls High School, North Guwahati Kamrup Metro, Assam. Yes, the second school, which is, the second team from the school, working on the theme of waste. Man Mayuri Deka, Monjira Sharma, Kiyashri Bhuyan, Shikhashri Borgohen, Arpita Das, and Dulumani Rabba ma'am is with us again. May I invite the Chandigarh school next? St. Joseph's. Please be ready. St. Joseph's, Chandigarh. Right. There's a lot of chairs vacant because these children, these students are busy writing their examinations. We miss them very much, but we are very happy that the award will reach them. St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, working on the theme of water. The award-winning students from the team are Balkaran Singh, Khushman Basi, Yashika Sharma, Kirab Jot Kaur, Akshat Gupta and Shaurya Pratap Thakur, and Ma'am Nitya is here. Chandigarh is one of the best planned cities in India, designed by a French architect, as it says. And the team found out that misuse by residents has made this once abundant resource scarce. I'd now like to invite the students of Himachal Pradesh, St. Luke's Senior Secondary School from Solan. Biodiversity is the theme. And as they walk up, I'm going to ask how many of you, kitne log Himachal gaye hain? Himachal kisi bhi शहर. Which शहर have you gone to? Dharamshala. All right. Ojas, Chajta, Navya Thakur, Sejal Gupta, Naomi Singh, Kunjal Arora, and the teachers Miss Monica Sharma and Kapil Gupta. अगला स्कूल जो है वो है एक मतलब अपनी बहादुरी और वीरता के लिए प्रसिद्ध, राजस्थान से हैं ये, स्वामी विवेकानंद गवर्नमेंट मॉडल स्कूल, मालपुरा फ्रॉम टोंक. On the theme of waste, Vedika Paliwal, Divyanshi, Chavi Khatik, Antima Vyas with the teacher Dashrath Dhalkar. अगला जो स्कूल है अफजलपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश. Can be ready. Now the team is from rural Rajasthan. The students captured the journey of solid waste and they found that kabadi walas are an important component and segregation is key. Segregation, who can tell me a word for segregation? Separation of waste, that's right. Yeah. So this is a school from Rajasthan, Tonk. मैं भी टोंक गई थी 3 महीने पहले on my solo travels. I'll tell you about that in a bit. Meanwhile, we have the school from Afzalpur, Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh. Please step on stage, sir. Shri Rajiv Bhatnagar leads the team. Sadhana, Sajim, Avanish, Rahul, Richa, Ram Raj, working on the theme of waste. Now, इस स्कूल ने ये पाया कि जो लोग सॉलिड वेस्ट कलेक्शन और डिस्पोजल करते हैं उनको कोई इज्जत नहीं मिलती. They're not respected in the society, they're not paid well, they don't have proper equipment. This is what the team found out. And so, they've really gone into the depth of this. The team observed that recycling facilities are available, however, they need properly segregated waste. So with that, we come to an end of the school section. Okay. Now after that, can we now watch a video message from a school that hasn't been able to make it?
Hi, I am Harshita and I am from grade 12. We all are from Nanagmatta Public School and currently working on our project Sustainable Menstruation for the past 2 years.
Hello, I am Sheetal from grade 10th.
I am Aditi from grade 12.
I am Neha from grade 10th.
I am Anjali from grade 12.
The biggest challenge before us is to encourage girls and women for the switch from sanitary napkin to sustainable menstrual product.
This experience has strengthened our communication skill, patience, and our ability to handle sensitive topics.
Our biggest achievement is to successfully influence 90 to 100 girls and women to switch to sustainable menstrual products.
We are really missing to be there, but truly appreciate this honor. Thank you for believing in us and supporting our work.
बहुत ही प्यारा सा संदेश नानक मट्टा स्कूल से, and like they said, they would like to convert many of the women to use sustainable menstrual, products. Now, I would like to invite jury members who played such a crucial role, one of whom used to be there every year, but I guess he's traveling. Vishwanath S., Director, Biome Environmental Solutions, Trustee, Biome Environmental Trust. But we are very fortunate that the other 2 jury members are here. Shantanu Goswami, Senior Faculty, School of Climate Change and Sustainability, Azim Premji University. Shantanu, welcome onto the stage. Also, Suhail Khadar, Senior Scientist, Nature Conservation Foundation. So we have जो जूरी का काम कितना महत्वपूर्ण होता है कि they have to go through all your the entries and then they had to study and then select. So कितनी तालियां बजनी चाहिए जूरी के लिए? It's such a wonderful investment of their time and their knowledge. उनका अनुभव. I'm sure Vishwanath will get to see the clips of this one. So many thanks to the jury members, Suhail as well as Shantanu. Names of government officials who are in our midst. That's again a very, very new one, and we welcome Ms. Mandakini Thakur, Senior Project Coordinator, Punjab State Council for Science and Technology. Ms. Rumisa Sangeen, District Education Officer. Ma'am, would you be, please welcome. Ms. Rumisa Sangeen, Department of Education, Jammu and Kashmir se. Ms. Benny Zuvichu, District Education Officer from Nagaland, Department of School Education, Kohima. Mr. Sering Angchuk, Executive Councillor, Education, Leh Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, and Mr. Zakir Hussain, Executive Councillor, Education, Kargil Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council से. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the officials who are here, bridging such an important gap, because finding gems is really a big task in such a diverse country. I'd also like to invite people from organizations who are with us. Tikendrajit Gogoi ji from Aranyak, Amyase Bethem Marai from Navikru. We have Tajamul Preeti from CECS Imcharinla Iyer. Please join us on stage. From Aranya, that's Aero Goa, Harshada Jalmesh. JKSAW Jammu se Shahnawaz Bhatt. Shikshant se Gautam Jha. From Disappearing Dialogues Collective Nobina. Eco Vigyan se Ashish Palyal Shrey Gupta. From the Hume Center for Ecology Dyuti. From NSI Ridhima Mukesh Kanpal. CEE Jitendra Patel Gayatri Dave. And from CPREEC Umapati Arasu. And from Wild Ecologs Ashish Shah. ये लाइन इतना तक पहुंच गया, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे भी अर्थियन अवार्ड मिल ही गया है. It's such a...
Instead of Gayatri, Mansi is there from CEE.
Mansi from CEE, can you please join us? Gayatri from CEE is unable to join, I'm told. Acha, the role that they have played is also absolutely crucial, because they have really, via their work, जो संस्थाएं जिनका नाम मैंने लिया, उन संस्थाओं के जरिए आप तक पहुंच पाए बहुत सारे जो schools, विद्यालय और अध्यापक. So please give it up for all the people who are on stage.